In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a QR code for a Wix website in 2026. We'll be doing this directly from your Wix dashboard using a QR code generator app, and the process is very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without missing anything. To begin, go to the main dashboard of your Wix site. This is the control center where you manage your website settings, design and apps. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This section gives you access to the tools and add-ons available for your site. After that, click on App Market. This is where Wix lists different apps you can install to add extra features to your website. When the App Market opens, use the search bar and type in QR code. In the results, you should see a QR code generator app. Click on it and then add it to your site. Once the app has been installed, you'll need to open it. To do that, go back to the left sidebar again and hover over Apps. You should now see the QR code app listed there. Click on it to launch the app settings. Inside the app, you'll find the options for creating and customizing your QR code. One of the first things you'll notice is the QR code type. This lets you choose what kind of content the QR code will connect to. Since you're creating one for a Wix website, you'll want to make sure the correct link option is selected. Then add a title. This is helpful for keeping things organized, especially if you plan to create multiple QR codes later. Next, enter the website link you want the QR code to open. Be sure to paste the correct URL so anyone who scans it is taken to the right page. As you fill this in, you'll see a preview of the QR code appear on the right side. That live preview makes it easy to confirm that your code is being generated properly. You can also adjust more settings here, such as the color or overall design. This is useful if you want the QR code to better match your website branding or visual style. Just make sure any design changes still keep the code easy to scan. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your QR code is now created and ready to use. You can then use it wherever you need, whether that's on printed materials, social posts, or other marketing content tied to your Wix website.